How to add a sticker on your video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the video editing app. I'm using CapCut here. Click on new project and select the video in which you want to include the sticker. Now, from your tab, simply choose the option of text. There you will see the option of sticker beside add text. Simply click on it, and as you can see, you can download any type of sticker which you want and include it on your video. Once included, scale it where you want it, and then you're good to go. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to add many stickers on your video. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.